When it comes to organizing tools efficiently and creating a more productive workspace, a high-quality tool chest is one of the best investments you can make. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a contractor, a serious DIY enthusiast, or simply someone who wants a cleaner garage, the right tool chest helps keep equipment organized, protected, and easily accessible. Instead of wasting time searching through scattered drawers, shelves, or boxes, a well-designed tool chest allows you to organize tools by category, size, or frequency of use, making every project smoother and more efficient. Modern tool chests have evolved far beyond basic metal boxes. Some are designed for compact home garages, while others are built for demanding workshop environments where durability and large storage capacity are essential. In this guide, we're taking a detailed look at the best tool chests for 2026, covering build quality, storage capacity, mobility, design, and overall performance to help you choose the right solution for your workspace. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, the AirWire 5-Drawer Tool Chest. This model is a great option for users looking for compact organization with practical everyday functionality. One of the biggest strengths of a 5-drawer layout is balance. It provides enough storage space for essential tools without becoming overly bulky or difficult to position in smaller garages or workshops. The AirWire chest is typically designed with multiple drawer sizes, allowing users to organize hand tools, screwdrivers, sockets, wrenches, measuring tools, and accessories more efficiently. Organization is one of the key advantages of modern tool storage systems because better tool visibility saves time and improves workflow during projects. Another important feature is portability. Compact rolling tool chests are especially popular among home users because they can easily move around the garage or workspace when needed. Many models also include locking wheels that keep the chest stable while working. Moving on to number 4, the Dommelin 5-Drawer Rolling Tool Chest. This model builds upon the compact rolling design while focusing more heavily on mobility and workspace flexibility. Rolling tool chests have become extremely popular because they allow users to transport tools directly to where they're working instead of constantly walking back and forth across the garage. The Dommelin chest typically includes swivel casters and a push handle that make movement smoother and easier, especially in busy workshop environments. Mobility is particularly useful for mechanics, contractors, and DIY users who frequently switch between projects or workstations. Another standout feature is drawer accessibility. Having multiple pull-out drawers allows users to separate tools into organized sections, helping reduce clutter and improve efficiency. Many users find that categorized storage dramatically improves productivity because commonly used tools are always within reach. At number 3, the Gopless Rolling Tool Chest, a versatile option that balances storage space, affordability, and functionality. Gopless has become well known for producing practical workshop equipment and garage storage solutions that appeal to both casual users and more experienced DIY enthusiasts. One of the biggest advantages of this chest is its combination of upper and lower storage sections. This layered design allows users to separate smaller hand tools from larger equipment or power tools more effectively. Multi-level storage systems are extremely useful because they maximize vertical space while maintaining accessibility. The rolling design once again adds convenience, allowing users to reposition the chest wherever it's needed. Lockable caster wheels help ensure stability during use, which is especially important when opening multiple drawers or handling heavier tools. Stepping up to number 2, the FSAZB 7-Drawers Tool Cart is designed for users who need more room for expanding tool collections and larger workshop setups. One of the most noticeable advantages of a 7-drawer configuration is improved storage flexibility. More drawers allow for better categorization and separation of tools, which can make a huge difference in larger or more complex projects. This cart is especially useful for users who own a wide variety of tools, including sockets, ratchets, wrenches, drill accessories, measuring equipment, electrical tools, and specialty items. Dedicated drawer sections help maintain organization and prevent overcrowding. The larger design also typically provides greater weight capacity, allowing the chest to handle heavier equipment more effectively. Heavy-duty drawer slides and reinforced steel frames are especially important in larger tool carts because overloaded drawers can become difficult to operate if the construction isn't strong enough. Another advantage is workspace convenience. Many larger tool carts include flat-top surfaces that can function as temporary workstations for organizing parts, setting down tools, or handling small assembly tasks. Finally, taking the top spot is the Sierra Squad Rolling Tool Chest, a premium storage solution designed for users who want maximum durability, mobility, and organization. What sets this chest apart immediately is its focus on heavy-duty workshop performance while still maintaining user-friendly functionality. One of the biggest strengths of the Sierra Squad chest is construction quality. Heavy-duty steel framing and reinforced drawers help ensure long-term reliability, even under demanding conditions. Professional-grade tool chests are designed to handle significant weight while maintaining smooth drawer operation over years of use. The rolling system is also designed for heavy-duty mobility. Strong caster wheels and stable wheel locks help users move the chest safely while maintaining stability during use. Smooth mobility becomes especially important in larger garages or professional workshop environments. Another standout feature is drawer performance. High-quality ball-bearing drawer slides improve accessibility and allow drawers to open smoothly even under heavier loads. Many users underestimate how important drawer quality is until dealing with sticking or unstable drawers in lower-end tool chests. When choosing a tool chest, there are several important factors to consider. Storage capacity should match both your current and future tool collection. Smaller chests work well for basic DIY setups, while larger multi-drawer systems are better suited for advanced workshops. Material quality is another major factor. Steel construction generally provides better durability and load support compared to plastic alternatives. Drawer quality is equally important because smooth and stable slides significantly improve everyday usability. Mobility matters for users who frequently move tools around the workspace. Rolling casters and locking wheels improve both convenience and safety. Organization features such as removable trays, top compartments, and varied drawer sizes can greatly improve efficiency and workflow. Security is another important consideration, especially for users storing expensive tools or working in shared spaces. Ultimately, the best tool chest depends on your workspace size, tool collection, and daily needs. Whether you want a compact organizer for home projects or a heavy-duty rolling workstation for professional use, the right tool chest can dramatically improve both organization and productivity. And that wraps up our guide to the best tool chests for 2026. From the compact and reliable Airwire 5-drawer tool chest, the mobile Domelin 5-drawer rolling tool chest, the versatile Goplus rolling tool chest, the spacious Sazab 7-drawers tool cart, to the premium Sierra Squad rolling tool chest, there's a perfect storage solution here for every garage and workshop setup. Which tool chest would you choose for your workspace? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest workshop reviews and tool buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for the latest prices and deals on all the products featured in today's video. Thanks for watching.